Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to talk to you about if your audio microphone is having issues. I just got a new microphone, and changing this has changed my life. First things first, go to the control panel, right? And then once you go to the control panel, it's probably going to say categories. Switch it to small icons, or just search sound on the top right here, and then whatever device you're using. So let's say your headphones is making a ugly cracking and static sound, right? So you're gonna go here, right? You're gonna right click and you're gonna go to properties. And once you go to properties, you can look at your levels. Sometimes if your levels is like, let me see, 64. Sometimes if your levels are like high, it starts tweaking on tamales. So just kind of bring it down, because like then it won't be staticky or won't be popping or anything like that if you're like earphones won't, like, I don't know, take the suppression or something. And then so you want to go here, you want to uncheck this, enable audio enhancements, give exclusivity mode, and allow applications, remove all of those, and then hit apply, and then see if your headset is still making audio noises, clicking sound, stack noises after that. I feel like sometimes some programs in here kind of just have like you see how it says microphone used by Razer app and Stream Elements. Sometimes the audio drivers for your headset just crack up. So let's just let it not have any, exclusive mode and the signal enhancements, and see how it works better for you. All right, well, if there's any other questions or any tips and tricks for this, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.